It's called the king of chemicals, and it's hiding in your car, factories, and even in the clouds. Today, let's uncover some fascinating facts about sulfuric acid. From powering industries to making fertilizer, sulfuric acid is one of the most important chemicals in the world. But there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Sulfuric acid is nicknamed the king of chemicals because it's used in the production of almost every industrial product, from paper to paint, and from detergents to explosives. The amount of sulfuric acid a country produces is often used to measure its industrial strength. The more they make, the more advanced their industries are. Sulfuric acid is highly hygroscopic. It loves water so much, it can suck moisture straight out of the air, or even your skin. That's why it's extremely dangerous to touch. That lead-acid battery in your car? The liquid inside is sulfuric acid. It helps store and release electrical energy to start your engine. When mixed with water, sulfuric acid releases an incredible amount of heat, so much that it can boil the water instantly. Always remember, add acid to water, never water to acid. When sulfur dioxide gas from factories mixes with water in the atmosphere, it forms diluted sulfuric acid, better known as acid rain, which damages crops, buildings, and ecosystems. So next time you hear about sulfuric acid, remember, it's not just a dangerous chemical, it's the backbone of modern industry. Respect it, handle it with care, and you'll see why it truly is the king of chemicals. Which fact surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe.